guys! So welcome back to my channel. This is my channel called Hidden Beauty by Tash. If you guys are first time here, I would really appreciate if you guys do hit the subscribe button down below, and if you go ahead and like this video, leave a comment down below. If you guys are returning subscribers, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you guys back. As you can tell, I have not uploaded on this channel in about 2 years. 2 freaking years, okay? So it's been a while, so I'm kind of getting back into the gist of things. So I'm super excited to do this and to go ahead and make this video. If you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. The name is Hidden Beauty by Tash, just like the name on my YouTube channel as well. And if you guys are interested in learning about how I go ahead and shave my face once a month, however long you guys do it for, but this video is specifically how I shave my face. So yes, if you guys are interested, continue watching the video. Okay, so the first thing that I do before I go ahead and shave my face, I know a lot of women are worried about shaving their face because they think that their hair is going to grow back a lot faster or that it's going to grow back a lot thicker and all that stuff. That actually isn't the case. At least with me and a handful of women I know in my life, they shave their face and they do not have that problem. As we get further into the video, I will show you what razors I use that will prevent any type of hair growing back too fast, too thick. So I will show you the type of razors you should use a little bit later in the video. But I just want you to know you should not feel worried about it. Then again, I like to kind of put this out there as well. Everyone has different skin types. So skin type, hairline, whatever. So it could happen that your skin does grow back really fast. I would recommend you to just try a little area and see what happens. And if that area grows too fast, then I would not recommend doing it on your whole face. But other than that, you should not feel worried about shaving your face. It's totally normal. Guys do it. Girls can do it too. There's no problems with that. Now that I got that little statement out of the way, what I do with my shaving tutorial is what I do before I go ahead and shave, I exfoliate. So that is super, super, super important, is you need to exfoliate and get your skin ready. Actually, I already applied it on my skin. I already exfoliated and all that stuff, but I will take you guys along so you guys can go ahead and see what products I actually use. Okay, so I do like to go ahead and I like to use this St. Ives Radiant Skin Scrub Pink, Lemon, and Mandarin. So this is specifically, as you guys can tell, this is for radiant skin. If you want to have bright skin, glowy skin, want to get rid of dullness. So I always like to do this, and I like to use this exfoliator about 2 times a week preferably, but if you are just starting off exfoliating, I would do 3 times a week to really get in there and get all the dirt out. But I use this before I go ahead and shave because it gets rid of all the dead skin cells, and it is super, super, super good to use. And lastly, the product that I use is this Kale Detox Deep Cleansing Face Wash by Pacifica. So I bought this actually at Target. I got it was about $7, I want to say, for this little bottle. And I bought it about 2 months ago, and it just is now hitting kind of the 1/4 mark, like over here about. So this is super, super good. As you can tell, it actually removes makeup. It cleanses and tones. Plus it has coconut water, clay, and super greens, and powerhouse antioxidants. And it is for oily and blemish prone skin types, sulfate free, 100% vegan, and cruelty free. This is super, super good. It softens your skin, it cleans it, and it just gets rid of any excess dirt that you might have so that your skin can be perfectly ready so you can shave it and get out all that extra dirt you might have as well. Okay, so what I do, the brushes I use, all that stuff. So remember how just before I was saying how there are specific brushes that you want to use for shaving your skin? shaving your skin, shaving your face, shaving your hair, whatever, that you want to use to prevent hair coming back faster, thicker, all that stuff. So these are the ones that I use. I bought these at TJ Maxx for this amount, $3.50. These are super, super good. They actually come in a pack of 6 razors. So I've had this for probably about a few months now. These are already clean. I had already cleaned them, okay? But you always want to make sure that you take an alcohol pad, 100% like pure alcohol, whatever, and you want to just rub it on here, okay? But I had already done that, but you want to do that because it can help stop bacteria from growing on your face or pimples from coming, all that stuff. It's just not good to put something dirty on your face. It's not prohibited, all right? Just saying, just saying. So when you shave, what you want to do, you take this and you want to shave coming down, okay? You want to shave down. I have found that that has helped me. I have seen other videos and people say that they recommend that as well. It has helped me, so that is what I do. So you're gonna start from down, and if I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. You take this, and then you start just shaving. You just want to be super careful. You don't want to shave too strong. You don't want to shave too hard because you can cut yourself or just damage your skin. And you just want to shave all the way down. And you do want to go ahead and you want to shave your mustache. Really?
Anywhere.
And then when you go ahead and when you do the nose, you just want to be super careful just because the nose has a lot of bone in it. It's a little bumpy, whatever. So you just want to be careful that you don't cut yourself. You want to kind of start from the top right here, okay? And then you just want to make your way down, but super, super gentle, okay? Still have all this stuff on here. When you come to the corners of your nose, same thing. You just want to do a section by section. Say hi. You gotta. Okay. Say hi, Bubba's. Say hi. Okay, so now that I finished shaving my face, I am going to show you guys what I do for my aftermath, so I don't get irritated and so my skin doesn't get all red and dry and flaky and all that stuff. So what I do is literally the only step that I do, this is the only thing that honestly really, really, really helps me, is I will take a cotton swab or a cotton ball. That's what I meant, cotton ball. And I always talk about this because this thing is so good. It's this glycerin and rose water. This is like a toner slash moisturizer, okay? But you really don't need to add a lotion after it because it does enough itself. So you pretty much, you want to shake it up a little bit. And then you're just going to put it all over your face. Okay. So now that you finished that, that is actually all that you have to do. So you should really exfoliate before you go ahead and shave your face because it gets rid of all the dead skin cells. Then after you go ahead and exfoliate, you should really cleanse your skin to make sure all that extra dirt comes off. And what you want to do is you want to shave. So like I said, I personally recommend shaving down. You get more hair out and it seems to not irritate your skin as much when you go ahead and do that. And then after you shave, you should either moisturize with a moisturizer, I guess, that you feel really comfortable with, or if you guys are not sure what works for you and all that stuff, I would go ahead and I would use this. But thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope this video was super helpful for you guys.